Welcome to Jubaer Learning Tech. So now I go to my YouTube channel. So this is Jubaer Learning Tech. So hopefully you guys subscribe to my channel. So in this channel you got so many Cisco networking project and also web developing course. Uh, Web developing course is start from HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So now I will share with you one project regarding Cisco networking. So first of all, I take two PC here, okay, PC 5 and PC 6. So after that, I take one router. I take this one 2811, okay. Then I put here. Then I take the connection is copper strength, okay. Connection will be first Ethernet 0x0. Okay, no problem. I take another one. Automatically choose the connection. Okay, then I give the connection this one. So now here I take the different type of network. I put here 194.167.1.2. okay, so here I put the another different type of the network. So this one will be 2, okay. After that I put here okay, and this side I put this one will be 1, okay. Okay, so now I give the connection configuration. Go to configure. After that, first Ethernet 0x0, okay. Then I put this one, need to on this one. See, here is the green signal. So after that I go to the PC 5 and go to desktop, then put your then IP address. So the last digit here is the 2, okay. Then click here. After that, default gateway. The default gateway will be the first Ethernet 0x0, the router number, okay. This is the IP address. After that I go to second one. Actually this project for the beginner who are start Cisco networking project. Hopefully they get the benefit from this video. Okay, after that I put the router IP address and click here, need to on this one. So here is the green signal. After that I go to PC6, then I put the number, the last digit is 2, okay, and click here, then default gateway, I mean the IP address, okay. So now it's done. Suppose that if I send one side to another side, okay, feel no problem. So now successful. If I send this side, this one also successful. Okay, here's the different type of network. So this is the C type of network IP address here. So if we send again, this one also successful from PCC 625 successful. Okay, suppose that from router to this one also successful, from router to this side. Okay, this one also successful. So now I go to the simulation, need to click here auto capture and play. See the packet going to successfully one side to another side. Okay, so here is the showing successful. Okay, so come this one come just wait. Okay, okay, suppose that if I send this one successful. Okay, successful here. So now I go to the PC5, then command line here I write ping 194.167.1.2. It will be 2. Okay, so the different one is here, so need to enter, take some times. Okay, ping. So after that I write the ping here 194.167 dot the other side 2.2. Okay, enter, take some times here. Okay, ping done. After that I go to PC6, then command line, then I write here ping 194.167.2.2. Okay, then enter, take some times, ping done. Then ping 194.168.167.1.2. Need to enter. Okay, take some times, ping done. So after that if I send that one side to another side successfully here, suppose that now I send successful, then from 6 to PC6 to PC5 successful, then this one also successful. I go to the simulation, then check this one. Okay, this one also successful. I think whoever started Cisco project, networking project, they get the benefit from this video. Okay, so thank you so much, dear guys. If that have any problem, so go to the comment section, then put your comment, suitable comment, then I will give the reply. So after that you will subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.